Did you know that over 80% of adults experience stress every day? That's a staggering number. The good news is that studies show drinking herbal teas can be a natural way to help manage and reduce stress levels. In today's video, we'll explore the best teas for relaxation and how they can enhance your overall well-being. Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the world of relaxing teas. These soothing beverages have become popular remedies for stress relief and wellness. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, calm your nerves before bed, or simply enjoy a peaceful moment, these teas can offer natural solutions. But remember, not all teas are created equal. Stick around to find out which ones stand out and why you should be sipping them regularly. Stress has become a constant companion for many of us. Whether it's the demands of work, family life, or the daily grind, it can feel overwhelming. Medications and therapy are options, but wouldn't it be great to find a more natural and soothing approach? That's where herbal teas come in. While some people may reach for pills, others find relief in a warm cup of tea. The challenge is, with so many options available, how do you know which one is truly the best for relaxation? Let's explore 3 of the most popular teas for relaxation. First, chamomile. This flower-based tea has been used for centuries to calm anxiety and promote sleep. Studies show that chamomile has mild sedative effects, making it perfect for those nights when your mind won't stop racing. If you've had a long, stressful day, sipping on chamomile tea can help signal your body that it's time to wind down. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and is particularly effective for promoting sleep. Its antioxidant, apigenin, binds to brain receptors, helping to reduce anxiety and enhance your ability to unwind. Next up is lavender tea. Known for its soothing fragrance, lavender doesn't just smell good, it works wonders on reducing stress and improving sleep quality. Research has linked lavender to lowering blood pressure and heart rate, both crucial for managing stress. Imagine wrapping yourself in a cozy blanket with a warm cup of lavender tea in hand, letting the calming aroma wash over you. It's a delightful way to find peace after a hectic day. Lavender tea is celebrated for its soothing fragrance and its ability to improve sleep quality. It helps lower blood pressure and heart rate, making it an excellent choice for reducing stress after a long day. And finally, there's peppermint tea. Often associated with digestion, peppermint also contains menthol, which acts as a natural muscle relaxant. This makes it ideal for physical relaxation and easing tension in the body. After a long day, a cup of peppermint tea can help soothe sore muscles and refresh your mind, making it a great choice for evening relaxation. Peppermint tea, while often associated with aiding digestion, also acts as a natural muscle relaxant thanks to menthol. This makes it ideal for easing physical tension and refreshing your mind, especially after a stressful day. Each of these teas offers unique benefits, making them great options for relaxation. So, whether you prefer chamomile for sleep, lavender for relaxation, or peppermint for tension relief, incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine can significantly boost your mental and physical well-being. Feeling stressed? Why not brew a cup of one of these teas tonight and see how it works for you? Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite tea for relaxation? Share it in the comments below. And if you're curious about more herbal remedies, check out my last video, Unlock the Incredible Health Benefits of Hibiscus Tea Daily. You won't want to miss the amazing benefits hibiscus tea can offer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.